Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shay. Y'all know what it do. Okay, so based on the title, y'all already know why we're here. We are applying a frontal today, and we'll be using the Ghost Blonde glue for our application today. Y'all, this is my first time ever applying a frontal, so if I mess it up, let me live, okay? Alright, I have my cotton pad out already. I'm just gonna use some rubbing alcohol to clean the area around my ball cap where my actual skin is. Make sure there's no makeup, residue, oil, nothing there, so we can have a smooth, clean application. I don't know if y'all could tell in my face, I'm so worried. I'm like, Shay, don't do shit. Alright, y'all, this is the wig we're going to be using today. This is a loose deep wig from Vshow hair. I actually curled it that way, so that's not the natural texture, but y'all get the drift. And here's the inside of the wig. You can see all the combs and how the wig is structured. Now I'm going in with my scissors and I'm just cutting off the excess lace from the back of the wig. And then I'm gonna fit it on my head. And just in case anyone was wondering, why is it that my ball cap is out so far, so close to my eyebrow? That's where my hairline is. Yes, that is where my hairline is. And it's super annoying, I know. And with that being said, I still decided to go in and cut off just a little bit more of my ball cap. I did expose some of my hair, in which later on you're probably going to see me shave a little bit of it off. But it wasn't giving me the feel, the vibe that I wanted. And I wasn't sure that, seeing as it's my first time ever dealing with a ball cap and putting on a frontal, I wasn't sure that I could finesse it the way that it should be with this ball cap being so goddamn far. So yeah. Okay, here is the real challenge. So I'm applying the glue, and what I'm doing is I'm putting it on the very edge of my ball cap where it actually meets the skin. So there's a little on the ball cap, a little on my skin. I'm gonna do that around my whole hairline. Then I'm gonna go in with a flat surface. I think I used the back of the eyebrow razor, the other end, and smooth that out. Then we're gonna blow dry for about 5 minutes, or however long it takes for it to get dry and tacky. So I'm just gonna let y'all watch that process for now, and I'll be back. Okay, so after waiting for my glue to get tacky, I stuck my frontal down and I'm going in with the blow dryer, and it's on the highest heat setting. I saw in, whose video was that? I think it was Larasia's, where she said you have to use the highest heat to get the best results. So yeah. Now using the end of my rat tail comb, I'm just gonna go in all throughout the hairline to make sure that the lace is stuck down properly and the hairs aren't sticking to each other. Okay, what I'm doing now is sectioning off what can possibly be my baby hairs. And y'all, let me tell you, y'all see that scalp though? Y'all see that scalp though? Wait, y'all just have to bear with me. Y'all don't know how proud I was of myself in that moment, because I'm like, sis, this might just come out good. Like, okay, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Now I'm gonna go with my elastic band, tie that around my head, and then we're gonna blow dry. Okay guys, so I took the band off and I ran my hot comb throughout my hairline, I think twice. And now I'm gonna go in and attempt to cut off my lace. Okay, so I'm not gonna really explain what I'm doing that much. I think it's much easier if you just watch and see what it is that I'm doing. But I did get this tip from one of my friends that's a hairstylist. She said that if you move your hand in like a up and down motion while you're cutting the lace, it creates this tapered edge which looks more natural when you melt in. So I decided to go in with my razor because I just think it would give me a more accurate cut than the scissors I was using. They're a little big. Okay, so I got one side completely off, and in this moment I really wasn't feeling it, but I'm like, I am too far in and too invested now to like turn back, so let's keep it pushing. So I'm gonna cut off the other side and see what we come up with. Okay, so all of it is off. I actually had a clip where I showed you guys how I cleaned up those white edges and I actually laid the baby hair, but I don't know, I think I deleted it by mistake. So here's something from my Snapchat. All in all, I think it came up pretty okay for my first try. Let me know what y'all think down below in the comment section. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye.
I have one thing to say.